This is what it's supposed to look like. This is what my dough looks like. Oh, this is where I'm at. This is my beautiful videography setup going on. My dog Hoogless is being a little bit of a maniac. Hoogless. Hoogless. That's where I'm currently at, my state of affairs of baking. Hopefully it will become more like viscous and that it will become less curd looking. This is mildly concerning, but crossing our fingers. Hi Hoogie! Hi Hoogie! Mom, I think I got it. You think you got it? Well, I think like I lifted it up and look, right? Yeah, right. Yay! Did a little sea thingy. Like turds.
They look like roses,
right now. This is what I'm working with. I have my light set up, and then I have the cream literally trying to simmer right now, which is taking absolutely forever. And then I started assembling my little bun things, and I started putting on the little sugar glaze things, but then they got too soft. So now they're in the freezer, melting, not melting, hopefully not melting, freezing again. And I'm just a mess right now. Oh my gosh, so then when I get the cream done, I have to move back to these. I have to pipe them out. Honestly, right now, my hair is like crazy. My hair currently demonstrates how I feel. It's literally 9:05 right now. 9:05. If I had recorded the oven earlier, I started at like 4:50 something. This was meant to take only 2 hours, and it's taking me almost 5. French baking is literally so insane. So I'm just patiently waiting for the milk to simmer. I see a little bit of movement. This is way too much. Way too much. I'm gonna make a bet right now that I'm gonna finish this at like 11. That's where I'm currently at right now. This is my boredom dance. Looks good. I think it looks good. I think we're good. Oh my gosh. These are my choux. My choux. Okay, I'm putting in my batch number 2. Look at how gorgeous these are. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful and round. This is a master chef at work right here. Oh yeah.